Good morning from Mattupalayam, Tamil Nadu, and we are leaving for Munnar today. Munnar is 200 kilometers from here. It's 8 in the morning, and estimated time is 5 hours. Time is quite good, 5 hours, but we need to stop for the breakfast and I'll proceed further. And one bad thing happened, ये जो मेरा GoPro का जो माउंट है वो निकल रहा है, and I don't actually remember कि मैंने एक्स्ट्रा GoPro का माउंट लाया कि नहीं लाया. So I need to find that out and fix that thing out. नहीं तो मैं GoPro में कुछ रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाऊँगा. 70 kilometers out of Mattupalayam, and it's 10 AM, and अभी एक फ्यूल ब्रेक लेंगे. लेकिन फ्यूल ब्रेक में मैं फ्यूल नहीं भरवाऊँगा, एडी भी नहीं भरवाएगा. पृथ्वी का टैंक थोड़ा खाली है तो पृथ्वी फ्यूल अप करेगा. Can you see these giant windmills? It's a great place to click some pictures. So we have stopped here to click some pictures with this giant windmills. Bike ঠিক আছে? चारों तरफ विंडमिल्स है एंड बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है चलाने में. Just look at the size of the bloody windmills, man. And हम लोग हाईवे छोड़ के स्टेट हाईवे से जा रहे हैं क्योंकि we can explore the rural Tamil Nadu as well. ये भैया शहद लेके जा रहा है एंड भैया के बाल भी मेरे जैसे ही है. एंड यहाँ का शहद बहुत ही टेस्टी होगा, देखने में ही लग रहा है. So this is Annamalai Tiger Reserve, and as you can see the roads are very narrow, and we need to ride very carefully because कभी tigers attack कर देते हैं. So we have entered Kerala. Daddy is wearing this monkey cap because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे monkeys हैं, इसलिए एंट्री है monkey cap. लंडन होने के लिए monkey cap पहना. And there is a beautiful waterfall out there. I don't know you can see or not, but there is beautiful. And यहाँ से मुन्नार है अभी more 60-70 kilometers maybe. So yeah, let's go and explore Munnar. The tea plantations has started. These are all the tea plantations, and if you guys don't know that Munnar is very famous for its tea. Even the song Kashmir to Main Kanyakumari, in that song the place shown was Munnar. Very beautiful place, one of the greatest tea plantations in the world. Just look at the plantations of the tree.
pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose? 'Cause I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could do.
हो गया? चल चल चल. Look at this beauty, man. Such an amazing, beautiful place. Well, I've reached Munnar and now we are looking for a place to eat because we are very hungry, and we didn't have a lunch, so we have to have a food. So I've reached Munnar and it's 5:30 p.m. We had our lunch, and उसके बाद रूम में चेक इन किया. बहुत स्लोली आए, बहुत सारे शॉट्स, बहुत सारे फ़ोटोज़ लेके धीरे धीरे आए. 200 kilometers, it took a lot of time. So it's 10 o'clock at night. We came back to the room after the market, and yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do follow me on Instagram at vlogger_h. See you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.